This video is going to be extreme storm weather. As you can see, I just had to rush because I just noticed what's happening, and it's really bad. Look at this. It's just pretty extreme. Look at the window. It's all dribbling down. I don't know what to say about this. This is really bad. Like, the heaviest rain has been all day. Right now, it's pretty heavy, but this beats it all, I guess. Yeah. I don't know what to say about this. Apart from it's pretty heavy. And I'll have a look at the... Oh my god. I'm just having a look around and it's just insane. Like, oh my goodness. Look. It doesn't look that heavy on camera, but he really is pouring it down, guys. Really is pouring it down. Let's show you something real quick.